So what is the technical name of this image? My dear students, anyone knows Chandigarh University? How do you publicize about Chandigarh University? Through pamphlets, through WhatsApp, through Facebook, through Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, or SMS. So now this is one more a way of publicizing about data science. I have incorporated all the tools and techniques, algorithms, knowledge, system, structure, analysis, programming, etc. in this image. What is the technical name of this image? Anyone? Please answer to my question. Anyone? What is the technical name of this image? Can you give an answer in the chat box? No problem. I am giving the answer. The technical name of this image is Data Science Word Cloud. So, coming to first topic, Introduction to Data Science. Data is a central to the data science. Without data, there is no database application. Data may be a qualitative data, quantitative data, numeric data, characteristics of data. Okay, there are various data types are available. Usually numeric that are collected through observation. So data may be a two types, categorical data, numerical data. Categorical data examples marital status, eye color, etc. Political party. Numerical data is classified into two types, discrete and continuous data. Discrete means there is no continuation of data. It is a counted items like number of children, defects per hour in a software. Continuous means continuously increasing the data, continuously performing the data. Example, weight or age. Continuously our age is growing, voltage, measured characteristics. This is about the types of data. How do you collect the data? So we are collecting the data through various data collection tools, like through interviews we are collecting the data, through observation we are collecting the data, through surveys we are collecting the data, through usage data, through focus groups, etc. Then data science is a combination of scientific methods, mathematics, statistics, advanced computing, data engineering, domain expertise, visualization, hacker mindset. So that's why data science is a process of extracting insights and meaningful data. So data science including seven steps like a collection of data, then storing of data, cleaning of the data. If any redundant data is there, we are cleansing the data. Then integration of the data, analyzing the data, representation and visualization of the data, and finally actions. We are taking decisions. Manager would like to take decisions. Then data is everywhere and it can help organizations, any industry in many different ways. That's why data sources are data from ERP systems. So data is from ERP system, Internet of Things. We are collecting the data from mobile apps data. Sir Naresh sir, good morning sir. I am in the session. Okay sir. So we are collecting the data from social network data, financial data, and multimedia data. Data sources like various sources are available. Okay. And data science workflow. First, we are capturing the data. we are managing and cleansing the data. Exploratory analysis means classification of the data. Final analysis, reporting of the data. Finally, we are visualization of the data through bar chart, pie chart, line chart, etc.